Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're facing a damaged cable on your Dyson HD01, you're not alone. Cables can wear out over time due to regular use or accidental pulling. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further electrical issues or even pose a safety risk. It's essential to address this problem promptly to ensure your Dyson continues to function safely and effectively. For this repair, you will need a replacement cable specifically for the Dyson HD01, a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and some insulating tape. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged from the mains. Carefully use the screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel of the unit. Take your time with this step to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back panel away to expose the internal components. Locate the damaged cable, it will typically be visibly frayed or broken. Be cautious when handling the internal parts to avoid damaging any nearby components. Use the pliers to disconnect the damaged cable from its connection points. Make a note of how the cable is routed to assist with the installation of the new one. Next, take your replacement cable and thread it through the same path as the old cable. Connect it to the same points you noted earlier, ensuring a secure fit. Tighten the connections with your pliers, but be careful not to apply too much force as this can damage the connectors. Once the new cable is in place, check that it is not pinched or caught on any other components. Reattach the back panel by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but don't overdo it to avoid cracking the plastic. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Lastly, plug in your Dyson HD01 and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the device powers on and operates as expected, you've successfully replaced the cable. To prevent future cable damage, try to avoid pulling on the cable when unplugging and consider using a cable protector if your Dyson is often in a high-traffic area. Regularly inspect your cable for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.